You guys, welcome back. It's drizzling outside with a chill wind, and I think it's the perfect day to make some steamed food for a change. Today I'll be making Haw Mok Pla, an aromatic fish curry custard steamed in a banana leaf bowl, which goes perfectly with jasmine rice. Let's get started. For some aromatics, we'll start with Kaffir Lime Leaves. Slice them as thinly as you can, just like this. Take your time. It smells citrusy and floral. These are banana leaves. We'll be using them to create a bowl to hold the curry. Using a bowl as a guide to create circle cutouts. Banana leaves are so fragrant and delicate. Be gentle when separating them. Wipe down each side with a moist paper towel. Each banana leaf bowl needs 2 banana leaf circles. You'll notice that the banana leaves have a shiny side and a dull side. When putting the 2 circles together, the grains of each circle should be laid perpendicular on top of each other. This will ensure a stronger bowl to prevent the delicate nature of the leaves from tearing apart. We'll be using halved toothpicks to secure the corners that make up this banana bowl. Let's form the bowls now. Form corners of the bowl by folding the leaves on itself like this. Secure the corners with halved toothpicks. And repeat until you have 4 corners of the bowl. It's easy to make and doesn't need to be perfect. I like to cut the edges here to make the bowls a bit shorter. And I'll do it one more time so you can see the process again. Banana leaves are used commonly in Southeast Asia as food-holding vessels because they emit a fragrant floral aroma. Banana leaves are also used for decorative components for special occasions like weddings, holidays, and religious ceremonies. It's amazing that we still create and utilize things like this that have been used for thousands of years. And a bit of a rinse for the Thai basil. We'll need to prepare the fish in two ways. Majority of it blended into a paste, and the other sliced into chunks like this. Let's blend up some of the fish into a paste. For fish, select your favorite kind of mild-tasting fish. Traditionally, this uses a fish called pla krai, also known as the clown featherback fish, but it can be difficult to find outside of Southeast Asia. Let's prepare the curry custard. To the fish, let's add red curry paste, which I have a video on how to make from scratch, sugar, fish sauce, coconut milk, eggs, Kaffir lime leaves, I added more coconut milk to loosen it up, which I've also factored into the measurements. To the banana leaf bowls, we'll need some steamed cabbage for this recipe. Simply cut up some cabbage, either put it in a steamer, or you can wet it a little bit and put it in the microwave for a few minutes to soften it up. Thai basil, in goes the fish curry. A chunk of fish in each. And let's cover it with more fish curry. The two different fish textures in here make it really nice to eat. Steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's prepare a thickened coconut milk that goes on top. All you need is coconut milk and a bit of rice flour. Turn the heat on once you've combined the two. Cornstarch also works well, but you might need to adjust the amount to get it thick just like this. After about 20 minutes, it looks like this. It smells incredible. Let's top this off with thickened coconut milk. Kaffir lime leaves. some red chilies. Here we have it, a steamed fish curry custard in a banana leaf bowl. It's spicy, aromatic, and smooth from the coconut milk, and goes well with jasmine rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and share with others. I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.